Hello.
Hola a todos, hola Christine. Estamos aquí, estoy con Christine Cole, que va a estar en Madrid para enseñarnos un taller que es la historia del BMC y del Contact Improvisación. Y hemos hecho esta charla, este vídeo, porque me gustaría mucho, sentí que era importante que pudiéramos pasar un poquito de esta energía de Cristina, que es muy especial. Y bueno, por eso estamos aquí hablando así un poquito para que podáis beber, ¿no?, un poco así de esa energía. Hello, Christine.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, this sounds good. Special. That's how I feel about contact and about body mind centering. Very much like this, like, oh, important in my life.
Es una relación muy especial, ¿no?, entre el contact y el body mind. Esto decía Christine, porque como que nacieron juntos, ¿no? It's like that they grow up together, they born together.
Yes, they grew up together. And I grew up with both. For 40 years, I did both. Yeah.
Tú eres maestra de body mind centering y de contact improvisación. Y has 40 años, ¿no?, viviendo con las dos maestrías y con las dos influencias, ¿no?
Yeah. Yeah, I was laughing with Miguel because I was saying that I think body mind centering helped the early contactors survive. Because they were jumping around and they were falling and they were throwing themselves, and BMC helped people learn how to go in and out of the ground and how to be like toddlers on the ground and be light in the air, so and move like animals. Yeah.
Unos locos, esos contacteros iniciales.
I will bring us back to old school contact, where they literally would put a circle on the floor.
A dojo.
Yeah, they would put a circle on the floor, and
you wanna do that?
Go in, oh yeah, once you go in, anything can happen, and but I will teach you the reflexes to be there.
O sea, nos vas a demostrar cómo lo hacían en ese tiempo y cómo trabajar con los reflejos naturales del cuerpo, ¿no? Y crear esa estructura de círculo de dojo. We have a dojo here. You wanna put it?
It's more that maybe, but it's more like they would sit around and observe and be ready to go in. But once you were in, it was like going into the tiger's den or something. Like,
como una jaula de gladiadores, ¿no?
Yeah, and it was very much three-dimensional, like people, or four, you know, people could come from all directions.
And fly y volar.
Under you, above you, from behind. We would jump from behind on people a lot, which is a big no-no now, but they prepared for all areas of readiness.
I think we queremos tener aquí a los bailarines de Contact de Madrid, ¿no?, en este taller. But I think they already, like, they know how to jump and go over people. So why should these people that they already have some skills, why should they come to the workshop? Porque estos contacteros que ya tienen algunas habilidades deberían de venir a este workshop.
I think that's a big question for contact improvisation anyway. Like, why should we learn? it's not so in anymore, but when I started to do contact in the 80s, we always felt like we were learning, and we didn't have jams. We would get together and workshop the material. But there are very interesting tools that body mind centering brings to fill in the gaps you don't understand why you're not like able to, I don't know, get light in a certain moment or rotate in a certain way, or they really are great tools for making your dance more what you want it to be. And if you're teaching, it gives your students skills. Yeah. I was teaching at CI 50 in Massachusetts in Earth Dance. And there my teaching, I was surprised. Like hit like a bomb, it went like boom, and people like woke up. They were like they were asleep. Like they were always sensing, they were always waiting for the other person. They were always like, I don't know, doing this. And what Bonnie says in Sensing, Feeling, and Action in 1984, watching Contactor, she says, what makes a good contactor is that they sense, they flow, and then they act. And then they respond and interact. And that makes a good dancer. And that's what we'll do.
I want to go to that workshop. I want to be there.
Oh, good. I so look forward to meeting you. I've enjoyed these conversations and the joy and the love. And I have never been to Spain, but I like the warmth I'm already getting from people I am speaking to. And I want to bring with me, I want to bring with me the spirit of Nancy Stark-Smith and Bonnie Bainbridge-Cohen together, because I lived in Northampton, Massachusetts. I was dancing with Nancy Stark-Smith, and I was 40 years, I mean, I've been a student of Bonnie's for 40 years. And I organized cross-pollination in 2005 or 6.
I was estuve viendo,
and so I'm bringing them, and they talked with each other. Like I invited them both, and there was an evening where they spoke, and they each taught a class. So I want to say that I am bringing their. I researched this. This is not like a gimmick. This is like I thanked them in this workshop in 2005 for bringing Nancy Stark-Smith brought Bonnie's writing to us, and Bonnie brought so much that supported body mind centering, and so I am bringing that. You can touch it somewhere through me.
Bueno, así intentando, Christine estaba hablando de Nancy Stark-Smith y Bonnie, que ha convivido con ellas, ha bailado con ellas, crecido con ellas en su trabajo. Y ella va a querer traer un poco de eso que ha vivido con ellas, ese espíritu, esa energía. Ha dicho un poco más de lo que yo estoy traduciendo, pero al final es también una manera que Christine Cole tiene de honrar ese privilegio que ha tenido de estar con ellas, es hacer este taller, que no es la primera vez que lo hace, pero lo vamos a tener en Madrid, el 19 y el 20 de noviembre. Y Christine, we're going to have a jam. Vamos a tener una jam el 18.
Yeah.
And you're gonna guide it, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. So they'll get a good taste of some of them.
And just say that the jam is open. La jam es abierta a quien quiera venir y probar un poquito de la energía de Christine, que la va a guiar, ¿vale? Y puede ser que os apetezca y vengáis al taller. ¿Sí?
Okay, this feels good. Yeah. Come play with us. Learn about the history in your through your body, and join the discussion that's really going on for the whole 35 year. What is it? 40 years. 35 years of contact and body mind centering. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
See
Christine.
you soon.
I will see. Nos vemos pronto, Christine. Vosotros ahí. Espero verlos también. Sí.
Yeah.